today's class we are going to learn about laws of exponents. What is this exponents means? That is powers, number in the powers, 2 to the power 3, 2 to the power 4, that just like that. So the number 2, if 2 to the power 3 means if 2 is the base, power 3 is exponent of 2. Okay, so this is laws of exponents means just we multiply the values and we calculate very tough. Okay, if 2 to the power 10 into 2 to the power 11 is given means you have to calculate very tough. 2 10 times multiply பண்ணணும், 2 11 times multiply பண்ணி கண்டுபிடிக்கணும். So it is very tough, no? So in this laws we can calculate very easily. Just we answer in the form of exponents form. Okay, not in the number form. Number formல நம்ம எழுத மாட்டோம், power formல தான் எழுதணும். It is very easy to know. So listen carefully. It is very 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 important portion. Okay. Here base is same, power is different. So first check base same or power same. Here base is same a. So a power m into a power n, that is equal to a power m plus n. So base அப்படியே எழுதிட்டு powers ரெண்டையும் add பண்ணணும் if the given number is multiply. Okay. Next rule, a power m divided by a power n. Here also the base is same, but the power is different, and also divide. If divide is given, say the base, we write the base one time, a power m minus n. If it is multiply, add the powers. If it is the divided means we subtract the powers. Okay, m minus n, a power m minus n. Next one is a power m whole power n. Okay, a power m whole power n na that power ரெண்டையும் நம்ம multiply பண்ணிக்கலாம். Okay, a power m into n, that is equal to a power m n. So ஒரு பவருக்கு இன்னொரு பவர். So a power m whole power n is equal to a power m into n, that is equal to a power m n. This is very very important. We use this in the many places. If a power minus m, if the given number's power is in negative, that is equal to 1 by a power m. Okay, 1 by, அந்த பவர் நெகட்டிவ்ல இருந்துச்சுன்னா 1 பைன்னு போட்டு a பவரை பாசிட்டிவ்ல எழுதிடணும். That's all. So it is very very important. We use this law in many problems. So carefully learn. A power minus m is equal to 1 by a power m. Then it is very important, if any number having the power is 0, that is equal to 1. If bracketக்குள்ள பெரிய எவ்வளோ பெரிய நம்பர் கொடுத்தாலும் அதனுடைய பவர் 0னா that is equal to 1. Okay, any number, if it is given a power m plus b power m into any number is given, whole power 0 is given means that is equal to 1. Any number that have the power is 0 means that is equal to 1. Okay, do you understand? This is additionally given in your book, that is page number 42. So it is additional exponents. So you learn it. A into b whole power m, that is the different base. Okay, different base. இதுவரைக்கும் நம்ம பார்த்தது வந்து same base. Here it is different base, power is same. Okay, power வந்து ஒரே நம்பர், பேஸ் வந்து a bன்னு வேறு வேறு நம்பர்ஸ் இருந்துச்சுன்னா என்ன பண்ணணும்? ஸோ a power m into b power m is equal to ab whole power m. அந்த மாதிரி இடத்துல நம்ம என்ன செஞ்சிடக்கூடாது, பவர் ரெண்டையும் ஆட் பண்ணி எழுதிடக்கூடாது. ஹியர் பேஸ் இஸ் டிஃப்ரெண்ட், ஏன்னு ரெண்டும் சேமாக இல்லை, ஏ பின்னு வேறு வேறு இருக்குது, பட் பவர் இஸ் ஹியர் சேம். ஸோ ஏபி ஹோல் பவர் எம். ஓகே, டு யூ நோ த டிஃப்ரென்ஸ் பிட்வீன் தீஸ் டூ? Next one, in the same way, a power m divided by b power m. So here also the base is different. but the power is same. So a by b the whole power m. Okay, that's all. So it is very easy to learn. If we know these rules in the formula, it is very easy to do the sums. Okay, shall we do the sums? Shall we do to the exercise? Thank you, students.